Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unblock someone in your Facebook account. So first, let's access all of those accounts that you have blocked in your Facebook account. To do this, simply click on the three horizontal dots present at the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to click on the settings gear option icon. Then inside the settings and privacy page, simply scroll down until you see this blocking option. Click on the blocking option and it will give you the list of all of those accounts that you have blocked. Now there is also an option to unblock them, so simply choose that account which you want to unblock. Once you'll click here, you can see this option which says unblock. Simply click on the unblock account and here you can see that they have been removed from the list and have been successfully unblocked. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.